Good morning to all. This is your general knowledge class. So today we are going to learn about plants. You know the importance of plants. Plants give out oxygen which we breathe in. Plants give us oxygen that we breathe. We also depend on plants for food, clothes and shelter. Plants give us food, cloth and shelter. So here in that diagram you can see that different parts of plants, that is flower, leaf, fruit, stem, root. So here in this lesson some questions are there related to plants. So let's see the questions. First question is define plants. Define plants. Plants give out oxygen which we breathe in. We also depend on plants for food, clothes and shelter. Now fill in the blanks are there that you have to complete. A plant needs air, water, sunlight and soil to grow. The three main parts of a plant are, what are the three mains of the plants are? Roots, leaves and stem. Most plants can be classified into three main groups: herbs, shrubs and trees. Most plants can be classified in three main groups. Herbs are very small plants. Shrubs are bushy plants and trees are big plants. Fourth, we get wood, paper and medicine from the plants. What we get from the plants? Paper, wood and medicines. Different type of plants give us medicines also. Fifth, a small hard part of a flowering plant from which a new plant grows is seed. A small hard part of flowering plant from which a new plant grows is seed. Have you seen children seed? So from seed what happened? New plant grows and it is strong and flowering plant. Now tick the correct answer. First, plants give off oxygen during the process of transpiration, photosynthesis, respiration. So your answer is photosynthesis. Put tick on photosynthesis. Second, the part of a plant that holds the plant upright is stem. The part of a plant that holds the plant upright. Upright means that holds the plant straight. That is the stem. Third, the part of a plant that contains seed is, which part contains seed? Stem, roots, fruit. So roots is the correct answer. Fruits is the correct answer. Sorry children, fruit is the correct answer. The part of a plant that contains seed is fruit. So put tick on fruit. Fourth, the part of a plant that absorbs water, nutrients from the soil is root, stem and leaves. The part of a plant that absorbs water, nutrients from the soil is roots. So put tick on roots. The part of a plant that carries nutrients to all part of the plant is fruit, root, stem. So that is the part of a plant that carries nutrients to all parts of plant is stem. A stem supplies nutrients to other parts of the plant also, such as that branches, flowers. The green color of leaf is due to the presence of green pigment, that is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Put tick on chlorophyll. Okay. Then here is class over. Please correct that one. Number 3, the part of a plant that contains seed, that is fruit children, not root. Teacher has put tick by mistake on roots, so you have to correct it, that is fruit. Okay, thank you.